Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show around this lovely Polo Life we've currently got for sale, finished in Reflex Silver Metallic. It features a 1 TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS and it's mounted with a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. Being in a previous car from ourselves, you will get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more, so a fantastic range of benefits available to you there. But if you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. Start at the front, you got full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And just running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely diamond cut 15-inch Essex Alloy Wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, giving a nice contrast against the silver paintwork. You also get power folding and heated wing mirrors to the side for extra convenience as well. It also helps to avoid damage whilst the car is parked up. Just jumping into the rear of the vehicle now. You've got the cream headline and it helps brighten up the interior. You've got these lovely pattern cloth seats with contrast and white stitching as well. Sides fixed points on the outer seats for any smaller passengers, and you've got a little bit of storage in the back of the front seats as well for the magazines or iPads. There's also a couple of USB points there as well, so your rear passengers will be more than happy in the back. You do get front and rear parking sensors stand on this car as well, make it nice and easy to park up, so you've got total peace of mind there. And just jumping into the boot, you've got a generous amount of boot space and offer as well with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. You've got 60/40 split folding seats as well to provide even more room for luggage such as suitcases or any golf clubs there. Just jumping into the front of the vehicle now. Just give you a closer look at those lovely seats. Got a centre armrest on offer as well, giving you a little bit of extra comfort, especially on those longer journeys. Lovely design just on the dash, touchscreen infotainment system and a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel as well. And that concludes the 360 walk around. I'm going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some of the interior functions. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now, that you've got follow controls, your adaptive cruise control settings on your left hand side. You've got your assistance systems there as well, such as your lane assist to keep you nice and safe on the road. On the right hand side controls the information on this beautiful digital display. It's fully customizable depending on what information you want to view. You've got your different driving data in there, such as your range, your miles per gallon and much more. Moving on to the infotainment screen, you do get just control of this. You've got plenty of storage for your favourite stations there with the digital radio. Absolutely huge range of options to choose from, should keep you entertained on those long journeys. You've got multiple media inputs on offer as well, a couple of USB ports and of course your Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected to your phone calls and also your music streaming. You've got satellite navigation which is available to purchase from the online shop through the car, and alongside that you've got the fantastic App Connect system as well, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. So it's an absolutely fantastic option to have and effectively giving the car satellite navigation through the use of your phone. Your park distance control there, audible warnings to keep that paintwork in top condition. And a little bit further down the dashboard you've got the manual air conditioning, so plenty of adjustment to keep you and the front passenger happy. Nice and easy to operate even whilst driving. And just below there you've got a little bit of storage with a couple of USB ports as well, so you can charge multiple devices on the go. A couple of cup holders down the centre and adjustable armrest as well, featuring a little bit of storage so you can hide any valuables. Let's give you a closer look at that lovely trim just on the dashboard there. Just helps uplift the interior. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to show you around in more detail. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.